Hey everyone, on today's video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to activate your Ubigi eSIM. So first we're going to go to the app. So next we're going to sign up or log in depending on what we have. So once we click next, it's going to ask us what device we'll be using the eSIM for. I chose smartphone. So next it's going to ask us what we would like to do, buy a new Ubigi eSIM. So as you can see, it's going to make us choose either globally, regionally, or locally, depending on the price listed there. So locally, we're going to choose a specific country. So once we do that, it's going to show us the type of payment we're going to have. So next, we're going to proceed with the payments. So once we're done with that, we're going to go to our phone settings, then click on cellular, then next click on add eSIM. Since we downloaded the Ubigi eSIM data from the app, we're going to directly install it into the settings. We could use the QR code option, as you can see, or we could also set it up manually. Then our eSIM is going to be live and active. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.